Hey everyone, and welcome back to Human Resource Machine. Now, the last time we managed to get through this little strip here, and Carol disappeared. And I can't remember if it was last time, but there was some fucking massive robot or something outside the building. But we're gonna see if we can try to get to the top of it, or if it takes a bit longer, we might get maybe halfway through this one. We'll see how it goes. And then after that, I'll be going through the other sides and then trying out the speed and modular challenges. But now we will go incinerate some vowels. Vowel incinerator, year 34. Oh, he got rid of his vowels already. What? Reduce bandwidth by removing all vowels from every word. Good luck. Then everything from the inbox to the outbox except the vowels. So I have to do a check. Okay. Inbox. Copy to there is my check, and then I'm going to subtract that from that. If it's 0, then I'm going to want to so it'd be equal if it's 0. If it's 0, I want to actually go back to the start and ignore it. Otherwise, if it's not 0, it's not a vowel. But if it's not 0, it's not the first one. So then what I want to do is bump. Oh, yeah, hang on. Copy to 6, sub 0 first, right? So I bump that, and then if I copy from there, and sub the reference of that, it'll go that one, and then do if 0 back to start. Otherwise, I want to go back and do this check again, but I want to also check this copy from 6. The copy from there. If how did I do it in the last one? Actually, I'm after forgetting now completely because it's been a couple of days. But hang on, let me see this again. So inbox, we're putting it down here. This is our letter. What the fuck was that? Let, right? This is our I want to use that as a stop, so what I'll want to do is inbox, copy to let, sub from 0. If it's 0, it'll go back because they're equal, right? Yeah, I think so. So if they're equal, then it's going to dump it away because we don't want vowels. But if it's not, then we're going to bump up 5. That'll tell us we want to go to E next. But the first thing I want to do is I want to check if we're at 5, right? So if I copy from there minus there, if that is equal to 0, I want to jump out and I want to copy from there, outbox it because that's okay, and then go back to the start. If it's not 0, I'm going to copy from that, sub it from that, then do a check if it's 0 again. If it is, go back to the start. Otherwise, go back up here. Maybe I might be way off of this one, right? So we go inbox, copy to here. We go sub it from there, not equal. So it's going to copy from here. Sorry. I want to bump it first. Oh wait, sorry, I want to bump it up first. Then I want to copy from it and subtract it from there. Sorry, let's try that again, right? So F, put it down there, so it's not 0, it's not a vowel, and well, it's not that one, right? If that's... It's always going to be 0, you dumbass! Yeah. Let's start again, because I think it's easier if I start again. Inbox. We're gonna copy to here, right? And then... Wait, why would I put it there? I already have letters here. Do I want to set up like I did the last time where I set up account separately? Let's actually do that, because I will just get fucking confused. Otherwise, this is going to be letter, right? I'm going to copy it to letter, but the first thing I'm going to do before any of that is copy from there and copy it to there, right? And this is the end. So we're doing a 0 string termination sort of thing, or whatever. 0, it terminates on the 0 in the loop, right? So that's going to be our count now. So inbox, we're going to copy it to let, and then we're going to subtract it from the reference here. If it's 0, we're going to go back up to grab something from the inbox. Otherwise, what I want to do is I want to bump this, and then I'm bumping that up. That means I'm on 1 now. I should not be using the reference to that. I should be using the reference of count. Right? So then I bump that. The first thing I'm going to do is copy from the reference of the count. If it's 0, then we're at the end, and we can copy it from the letter. No. Yes. Because if we go through all that after that, if it ends up being 0, then it hasn't completed anything. We can copy it from the letter and we can outbox it, and then we can go back to the start, right? If it is 0... Oh, no, wait. That's if it is 0. Otherwise, we're going to copy from there, and we're going to jump back into that. Right? Let's see. So, I'm going to put 0 down. A. Copy it down so we have to check again. A might say, that is a 0. So, forget about it. Right? Go back to the inbox. I'm not resetting my count. I want to be actually go all the way back if it's this jump. Right. Let's try this again. So M, sorry, set up my count. M, put it down, subtract it from here. That's incremented. E. Wait, what the fuck? Stop. 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 Right, hang on. So M, subtract it from that, right? It's not 0. We're gonna bump up count. Copy from... That's a reference. Oh, dumbass. I didn't want to copy from a reference. Copy from count. Oh. No, sorry, I do want to copy from count. If it's 0... if it's 0... Otherwise, copy from let. Subtract count. Wait. I confused the what went wrong there. Right. Count. Right. Go to inbox. We get a G. Put it down there. I was going to subtract the G from there. It's not 0. So it's going to bump up count. I don't need a copy from count. Oh no, I do. I want to copy from the reference account. That one. If it's 0, we're going to jump down. Got that backwards then. I got this one backwards. Let me see. So, copy from count. If it's 0, then we want to copy from let, outbox it, and go back to the very beginning. Otherwise, we're going to copy from let, and we're going to back up and then subtract it. Yeah, we'll do it again, right? So we set up our count. It's 8. Put that up. E is not 0, so copy from I, subtract it from E. So this one, wait, that seemed redundant, but I think it might be working. God, this is gonna take a while then. Is he getting older as he progresses through it? Okay. What the fuck, it works through the last one as well. Right, okay, I feel like there was a step there that was unnecessary, judging by how it looked. We're one off, so, and one off on, oh, so close on that. I think there's a step where he's taking it from, he already has the letter in his hand and he's going to take it again, but I'll come back to that. But that one, very close on that one, that took a bit as well, but not too bad. We're not going to go up this side, we're going to go straight up the main branch at the minute. Duplicate removal. Right. The fuck happened to the office? I'm fired? Ha, I'm just kidding. If only. A note here from the other supervisor. She's out sick today, but she says it's time to eliminate inefficiencies. We've been fucking trying to do that for years. Send everything from the inbox to the outbox, unless you've seen the same value before. Okay. Do I have enough spaces on the floor to do this? So I'm again going to go with my thing where I set up the count, and this is going to be, this one is going to be the count, right? And this one's going to be 0 end. Or maybe I don't want that one to be the end. Maybe I want to be, I'll put a letter down. So the first instance is going to be inbox and copy to there and outbox it. That's going to be the very first instance because we can't possibly have a duplicate on the first one, right? Then the next step is to inbox, and then we want to do a check on the floor. But we'll want to know when we're at the end of the line to check it, so we'll want to move that up as we add duplicates to the floor. So things that have or haven't come up already. So like it's going to be A, C, E, and then it'll be like B and a C. But I need to know where the string ends. So I will want to copy it from there and copy it to there. Right? And then this is going to be the, what do I want to call it? Well, I'll just leave it as count, actually. What the fuck? Right, so this will count how many letters are on the floor. Or do I even need that? Let's not put a label on for the minute, right? So we're copying it from 14. We're putting it in 1. And we're going to inbox and copy it to 0. And then we're outboxing it because it can't possibly be a duplicate. So now we want to go and do our checks. So we go inbox. We want to copy it to... Ooh. Oh, hang on. As soon as I copy it here, I'm going to want to bump this right away. And I'm going to want to have it as count. Because this is going to reference where my string ends. Because I'm going to have to... Oh, this is going to be a tricky bitch, this one. Right. Inbox, copy to 0, outbox. And then I'm going to go to inbox. Or am I? What I'm going to do... What I'm going to want to do then is I'm going to want to copy it. It'll go 0 to 1. I'm going to want to bump this. Where am I? Oh, this is tricky, bitch. I'm going to want a 0 to be able to check on, right? So, if I copy to 1, I also copy to 0. So this is just going to be my 0 value, right? There's always going to be a 0 there. And then, right, okay, what I'm going to want to do is inbox, copy to 0, and outbox it. Then, I'm going to want to bump count, copy from 0, copy to the reference of the count so that it'll place the 0 there. No, I just realized I'm going to want to inbox, outbox. I'm going to want to inbox, and I want to go to, I'll have to do my checks first. So I will want to copy to check. This is going to get fucking complicated, right? Copy it to check. So we have a copy of it if it ends up not being a duplicate. We're going to want to subtract it from... This is where I want to count. Fuck! I need to start again. I know it might seem a bit stupid starting again like that, but I need to be able to set up with the minimum amount of variables that I can reuse. So I will want to have a 0. I'm going to want to have to go through it and check where it stops, and then I'm going to want to have to also count it, because I want to count. Do I want to count? Probably not. Can I? Oh, well. Ah, fuck off. I tried to undo my deletion of it, but it didn't work. Right, if I go copy from there, copy to there, this is going to be count. Or did I just decide in my head? No, I do need a count. I want a 0. I will want that. Copy to 0. And I also want to have my end string. Right? First letter is always going to go at 0. So inbox, copy to there. And I'm going to want to outbox it. Is that all the setup I need? Right, so I want to bump that. It shouldn't be count, it should be termination. Position. Termination position. So where the 0 is. I could go backwards. Would I? No, let's not go backwards, right. Damn. I don't want to edit these long pauses out because I feel like I'm gonna miss a stage where I'm thinking, throwing things in and out. I think I did it on one of the videos, but I kind of want to leave it into it. I'll cut it maybe after this one. We'll see how we go. But right, so outbox. Then we're gonna bump this up so that I'm going to inbox, and I want to take the inbox and copy it to save. Saving the letter. Then I want to subtract it from the reference of. I will want that as a count, won't I? I want to check first, so I want to copy from, before I go inbox it, I want to copy from I will want to check somewhere. The letter is always going to check against at least the first one, right? So inbox, copy to save, so I'm saving it. Then I'm subtracting it from 0. Count won't be 0. I always turn that back into 0. Fuck. I don't need a count. I don't need to count. Oh, my brain. My brain. God, fuck. I don't need to count where I'm at. If the value isn't on the floor, I want to also save that. I want to put that down. Just realizing this now. So, copy from count, put it to 0, copy to there. So that's my end of string, right? Then I'm going to inbox. I'm going to want to check it first, see if it is. So I'll put it down as save first. Then I'm going to want to take it away from the reference of count. So that's that one. If it's equal to 0, it is a duplicate. So just go straight back to the inbox. Oh, I want to have this one as my count. And this one as 0. Or did that matter? I could have just shuffled it. So I'm going to want to always copy from 0. This one is subtract. Count. Right, copy from 0, copy to count. That. Oh. Sorry. Copy to 1, copy from 0, copy to count. So inbox, copy to 0 the first time around. Copy to the reference of. No, I don't want to copy to a reference of it. Copy to 0. Then I'm going to want to subtract count. The position of count. Wait, I didn't go first inbox yet. Ah, fuck. Wait. Copy from 0, copy to 1, copy from 0, copy to count. Now I want to go inbox, copy to 0, and then outbox it because it's the very, very first one. Then I'm going to want to go inbox, copy to save, subtract reference of count. If it's equal to 0, it's a duplicate. So I want to pause this setup. I'm gonna have to do again if I'm doing it that way. So then I might as well just leave it as that. If it's 0, I want to come down here. Can I copy this? I don't want to copy the whole thing. Copy from 0, copy to reference of count. Then I want to subtract. Oh, then I want to copy from count. Subtract from count. Copy to count to set count back at 0. And then I want to go back to. Oh fuck. Okay, so that's if it ends up being a duplicate, I want to go back up then to inbox. Otherwise, if it's not a duplicate, I am going to want to then bump count, copy from save. On the bump count, but I want to then copy from reference of count. If it's 0, also want to jump out of it. Oh, if it's 0, that means I got to the end of it and it's not a duplicate. So I want to then copy it from the save, outbox it, and jump back up to the inbox bit, right? But if it is 0, I got that backwards again, didn't I? I'm after doing that backwards too. So if it is 0, I want to copy it from save, outbox it, and jump back around. Otherwise, I'm going to copy from 0, copy to count. Right, that's my reset too. What was that one for? Oh, if it's a duplicate. Yeah, sorry. So if it's a duplicate, we're throwing it out. Otherwise, we're going to bump count, copy from save, copy from the reference of count. If that's 0, we're going to also want to reset. Oh, if that's 0, it means we're at the end. Otherwise, hey, am I getting arseface in this? Where's that copy to count? Copy from count. If that's 0, it means we're at the end of the string. So a copy from save and outbox it. Otherwise, it's not. It's not added. So I want to then copy from save, jump back up into that, right? So let's set up my count. Oh yeah, set up my end of string, set up my count, go to the inbox, put this down because it's the first reference of it, outbox it. I'm gonna go to the inbox, copy to save, subtract it from count. They're not equal. So I want to bump count, Copy from save. Why is that there? Okay, ignore that copy from save bit for now. So it's 0. So if it's 0, we're going to want to copy from save. I did it backwards. Fuck's sake. Get rid of that. If that's 0 under the copy from. Why did I move it that way? Right, hang on. So, set it up. Then, take the B, put it down, output it, because it's the first one, it can't possibly be a duplicate. Take the C down. They're not equal. It's not, hang on. I want to look at this step by step. Bump count. Copy from count. It's a 0. We're going to copy from save. Outbox it. Go back up here. Oh, I put that in the wrong place. Did I? I don't want it to go back up to that. If it's that one, I want it to go there. And this one, this jump, we'll want to... Copy from save. This jump will want to go back up to that one. Sorry, okay, I got that wrong again. B, output, right. C, copy to save. Subtract it from that, they're not equal, right? So, bump count, because it's not 0. Copy from count, that's 0. I want to copy from save. I want to outbox it. And I want to go in here, copy from that. Copy to there. Oh. Wait. I don't want to copy from 0. I want to copy to the reference. First thing I want to do is bump count once more. Copy from 0, copy to the reference of count. Copy. Oh, because I have a 0, I can just copy from 0, copy to count again, then jump back around, right? Right, so this is a duplicate right off the bat. It's 0, so in that case, oh wait, it's a duplicate. Go back. Where's that if 0? If 0. So if it's 0... Oh, I was going... Oh. If that one's 0, I want to reset it. But if it ends up getting outboxed, then I want to bump it and then jump back, because I don't want to, if it's not a duplicate, I want to save it, right? So then take a 0. It's okay, so then outbox that, jump up to this, bump count, copy from 0, copy to count. I thought I just fixed that. Hang on. Outbox that jump there. Oh, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I want to bump count. And I want to copy from the save and copy to the reference of count before I bump it. Then I want to bump it, then I want to reset it. Right? So E, so B, this isn't a duplicate value. Right? So you're going to take that, you're going to take that out. That's fine. Check it, it's 0, put B out. Now I want to take B, I want to put it where 0 was, and I want to do that, reset. Oh, I already have 0, so that's redundant one again. Anyway, E, this is a duplicate, so it's equal to 0. We're gonna then, the fuck me. If it's equal to 0, it's then going down to copy from 0, copy to and leaving redundant bits in here. Ah, there we go. It's going to break there because I don't have the lad. Right, so it's copying from saved. It's putting it down there. Bumping count. Right. Stop that one there. I want to jump down to here. No, I want to jump down to outside it. If it has to save a letter, if it finds a duplicate, it's going to reset it with this one just to count into 0. If it finds a letter, then I'm going to want to copy from zero, copy to count. Copy to the reference of, oh, do that first. Copy to the reference account, copy to that. Then jump back up to inbox. I'm not saying anything. Holy shit. Oh my god. How did we do? 17 or fewer? Well, that's well off. Speed wasn't a million miles off, but fuck me, that blew my brain there for a minute. That's one that'll take a while when I go to revisit it. Right. I only managed to get, what, 2 rooms? Oh, and to be honest, I am going to leave that at there for today because Jesus, that took a while. I'll see how far again. The next, well, and the next 2, the next one. If I can only manage 2, that's fine. When I get to that one, I'll go back around and try some of the easier, or I'll go to Alphabeticizer and try through some of the easier ones first. But God, at this level of it, it's kind of wrecking my brain. I can't get my brain around some of it. That took so long. Thank you for the patience, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike and comment why. Subscribe as well so you know when new things are coming out. I appreciate it. And yeah, my brain is just gone. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.